Hi everyone, welcome back to my shop, and we're gonna do some stuff today. The thing you see here, all these coins and keychains, are stuff that I got in Maker Central's 2019, and they had a thing that different makers made like coins that they can pass around and exchange with one another. And I got some stuff here from Miss T. I've got from CDA Woodturning. I got from Leona. Leona, that's really nice, with a little hammer here, because it's always hammer time in my shop. So that's really nice, Leona. Thank you for that. And I got some Vicky makers. I've got some KK make. I've got some from really nice carved and stamped. Let's see if we can actually focus from BC. It's the fourth of a series that is made, so it's quite a low number. It's a rare item. It's a rare item. So I got some Dave designs and some others. So what do follow your dreams, and this is from Pink Macro. So when I made the micro goblet, and I made like a 2 millimeter, a little bit shorter than 2 millimeter goblet, I've created this little skew, and it is an actual skew, as you can see, and I used it to carve out my little goblet, and I made it like a real wood turning tool with the handle and everything. So thank you for sitting this introduction out, and let's switch over to the lathe and start making a couple of mini gouges and skews and see how this goes. So after all this work, this is what we've got here. We've started from this blocks of English oak. And from the English oak, we cut it into pieces using the bandsaw and we turned it on the lathe. This is obviously the leftovers, some stems that were clutched in the jaws of the chuck and some end pieces. You might have seen those fly off in the video, and of course a lot of shavings. And our result is over there. You can see 80, that's 80 mini skews. I will be giving those skews, guys, away, but I will not be giving them away for free. If you're coming to the Maker Central event and you want one of these mini skews, you're gonna have to find me. That's the first thing, and then you're gonna have to exchange for one of your trinkets or coins or whatever it is you made special just for the event. So guys, just like last year with the coin exchange, these are my coins. I'm gonna exchange those for coins made by other creators. I've got 80 coins here, 80 mini skews, and I'm gonna give you a closer look in a second. I will zoom in so you could see them a little bit better. And I fully expect to come back from the event with at least 80 different makers coins. So if you're planning on getting one of those in the event, you better start making your coins as well. Okay guys, here they are. Wait a minute, let me center you. Okay guys, here they are a little bit closer, and I'll try to get even closer than that if I can. Let me see what I can do about it. Okay, a little bit of camera magic here. This is handheld, so excuse me if this is a little bit trembling. Let me try and get it a little bit lighter. Yeah, here we go. So guys, we've got 80 mini skews made from English oak. And they're all branded with MC 2020 and my name and my little logo for Yuval Lahav Woodturning. You can see the Y in the circle there. They are all very sharp. They will prick your finger. They will cut wood. You can use them, although you should probably just keep them as a souvenir. I want to thank you for joining me in this week's video, and I hope to see you back in my shop really soon, although after all this work I think I need a little bit of time off. So I'm gonna take a few days off. I'll probably do something here in the shop. If I will do, I will get it on video. So please come back to my channel, check out the new videos every once in a while. If you're not subscribed, obviously you should subscribe. Right here at the bottom you can find the subscribe button. Don't forget to click also the bell if you want to get notifications in your mail whenever I upload a video. Guys, it's been really back-breaking and tiresome to work on all... sorry, kicked you a little bit. On working on all of this. So I'm gonna tell you all good evening, and I'll see you back really soon.